guys, welcome back to Sugar Slime Studio. I'm here with another video on some of my favorite clear slimes. Hope you enjoy. So the first slime we have here is called Blue Crystal Water, which was originally named Nature in a Bottle because of its greenish color, but then it changed to blue. It has clear beads and glitter, and it's actually really stretchy. Also in this video you can kind of tell that it was really sticky and I couldn't get everything out of the bottle. So you can't see the glitter and the beads because they went to the bottom. This second slime is called Grape Jelly, and it has food coloring, and just like the previous slime, it has clear beads and gold glitter. This slime is thicker than the previous slime, but it can be smoothed out just like jelly. Last but not least, I have this, I guess you can say, watermelon colored slime, and it's the same consistency as the last slime, the grape jelly one. It's thick, but it's also very stretchy. After adding the black foam beads, I wasn't really sure what to name it. Maybe watermelon? Or maybe even ladybug. I don't know. Comment down below which one you think. Alright, that's it guys. Don't forget to check out all my social medias, my Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye!